Hi, my name's Jesse. What's your guys' names?
Kathy.
Kathy. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Your
My name is Maichu.
Maichu. Okay, yeah. Nice to meet you guys. How old are you guys? Where are you guys from?
I'm from Sacramento. Yeah.
How old?
21.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 22. I'm from Sacramento.
Oh, nice. Okay. What do you guys usually come to the New Year's for? Mombasa?
Yeah, same. And to wear fall clothes.
Okay. Okay. What type of guys are you guys into?
Right now I just want to toss for fun, so.
Talk for
I'm not
fun.
really looking for.
She's a player. Okay. Yeah.
What was the question?
What type of guys are you guys into?
There's really no type.
Yeah.
No type? Okay. All you guys got a chance.
The purpose to come for us, not to for us, is not to like talk to guys. It's to have fun with each other.
Yeah, but I'm just asking you what type of guys are you into?
Like physical wise.
Yeah, like mentally, physically.
Mature.
Mature, that's it?
Yeah.
Okay, mature guys. And then do they have to be Hmong?
Well, for me, I say yes.
Do they have to be Hmong?
Yeah.
Okay, you have to be Hmong. You guys good. Okay, then. Would you guys like to ball for like 2 seconds? Just for 2 seconds. I got a ball.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Yeah. No, I got it. Just for fun.
Hmong New Years.
Okay, this is all. Okay, you guys ready? Okay. One hand only. Okay, go. Okay, go. Do it. Okay. If you drop it, I get a phone number. Okay. Last thing. Meatball, ucha.
No.
Okay. No, just one thing. Give me your best knee. Yeah. Okay, go.
I don't think we can do that.
You guys are Hmong. You guys
I'm
can do it.
against the rules to do that.
How's it against the rules?
Uh-huh.
Just do it. Okay, I'll go first. Yeah. Okay, go.
No, we're not gonna do it.
Okay, she did.
I don't want to
Go. Do it.
Make it quick.
Do it. Just do it.
It's embarrassing.
It's not embarrassing. It's culture. It's traditional.
Is this going on the internet?
It's YouTube.
No, I don't want to do it.
Yeah, it'll be fun for your culture, your tradition.
Okay, yay.
Okay, that's our best one. Okay, all right then. Yeah. Thank you guys for the interview. Yeah, nice meeting you guys. Yeah, nice meeting you guys. You guys go first.